Hello, my friends, welcome to our books. Today I am going to review Mastermind CBSE Chapter Wise Question Bank for Term 1, Subject Information Technology of Class 10. This is brought to you by Blueprint Publication. So, as you know, that CBSE has launched its official date sheet and CBSE has divided its subjects on major and minor. Means there are two subject lists provided by the CBSE. One is major subject list and the second one is minor subject lists. CBSE had declared the date sheet of major and the date sheet for the minor will be declared later. So in the minor subjects list, you will find that one important subject is there, Information Technology Class 10. And this subject has been followed as an additional subject by most of the students in most of the schools in India who are in CBSE board. So information technology is very important and it has been many students are having this subject. So I think that many students must be confused that which book to buy for term 1, because we know that information technology is also in term 1. It will also be in MCQ format, but there are no books available in the market who can provide you good type of MCQ, means standard MCQ, then good quality MCQ, then good quantity, many MCQs. There are no book in the market. All are of previous publications, means previous sessions. So they are also based on previous syllabus. Also they are having very few MCQs because that books are not meant for term 1. But this book which you are seeing on the screen is totally meant for term 1, contains many MCQs, 1200 plus MCQs, assessment reason and case based questions. We also know that CBSE has introduced case based questions also, and in IT also case based questions are there, but no books available in the market for IT who are providing that's case based questions. But this book Mastermind, this Blueprint Mastermind book by Blueprint Publication is providing you case based questions also, and the major thing is it is providing you assessment reason based questions also. So these are the few things that makes this book best in the market. And not that, this book also gives you two sample question papers with specimen OMR sheet. Term 1 exam is going to be conducted in OMR sheet. So this book is providing you two sample question papers with OMR sheet also. I will show you that later. So let me introduce this book. Let me show you this book and let me tell you that how this book is beating other books available in the market. So let's start. In the front page only you are able to see that it has been written Mastermind CBSE Chapter Wise Question Bank, Subject Information Technology for Class 10. Publication is Blueprint Publication, totally meant for term 1, and it is following the latest CBSE syllabus and pattern. It is based on 2021 to 22 reduced syllabus or rationalized syllabus. It contains chapter wise summary. What is chapter wise summary? Now suppose you are going to solve one MCQ of chapters, means one chapter you are trying to solve the MCQs of one chapter, but somehow you are confused that whether you will be able to solve the questions or not, because maybe some topics are there which are out of your mind. Now you want to recall them. Now to recall, you have to go to NCERT website, you have to download the NCERT book, then you have to read it, but this takes a lot of time. So for final revision you always require one short notes type. You need one book that gives you short notes for quick revision. So for this you do not have to buy other book. This book only gives you short notes of each and every chapter. These short notes are meant for the final revision and quick revision. Not only final but quick revision, and it covers all points of the NCERT book. Then you are getting many MCQs. I will also tell you that why I am telling many MCQs. If I show you the part A and part B chapters, you will tell that really MCQs are abundant in this book. Then you are getting two sample question papers with specimen OMR sheet. You are also getting sample papers also. So let's start. This is the first page of the book. Let me show you the contents page. This is the contents page. It contains all the term 1 chapters. All the term 1 chapters: communication, self-management, basic ICT skills, then digital documentation, electronic spreadsheet and database management system. Then in part C, you are getting practical, you are getting live exercises and 2 sample question papers with OMR sheet. You are also getting live exercises. So this is also important because we know in IT 50% is theory part and 50% is practical part. Most books available in the market only focus on the theory part, but this book focuses on practical part also. So let me show you the communication skill chapter, then I will show you a digital documentation chapter. From this you have an idea, you will get an idea that how is the book, and then I will show you about the question papers also at the last. So let me show you the communication skill chapter. See, in the first you are getting fast track revision, that is the quick revision. These are the quick notes, short notes. These are very important for final revision. Okay, after the completion of the short notes, you are getting objective type questions. The first type is stand alone MCQs. You will get many standalone MCQs in this chapter by this book. Then you are getting assertion reason MCQs also. Not only standalone but assertion reason MCQs also. So this is how this book is different from other books available in the market. Assertion reason MCQs in IT, no one could expect that any publication will give, but this publication is giving assertion reason based questions also and standalone MCQs also. So this is the part A chapter. Now let me show you one part B chapter also. Part B chapter is if I am showing you the digital documentation chapter. The digital documentation chapter, page number 49. Let me open the page number 49. See, here also you are getting fast track revision. These are short notes, I have already told you. Then you will be getting objective type questions. Let me show you the numbers, that how many questions are there, how many MCQs are there. Only standalone. See, 113. Now see, 153 stand-alone MCQs. This is unimaginable. 153 standalone MCQs. Then you are getting assertion reason MCQs also. And then you are getting case study questions also. These are very important. Case study questions are also known as competency based questions. You can tell these questions as case study or competency based questions. Competency based questions are very important and are somewhat practical type. Means if you have knowledge of the computer, if you have the knowledge of the software, then competency based questions are very easy for you. So again I am telling you, if you have already read the chapter but somehow you are thinking that no, I am confused, then do read the fast track revision part. These are very good short notes for this chapter provided by this book. And then you are getting case based questions also. This is the case study and here you have to solve the MCQs. Very good questions and in good amount also. Standard, quality and quantity. Quality and quantity both are very good. This is how the chapter ends. Now your idea must be clear that how this book is beating other books available in the market. Just imagine you are getting so many standalone assertion and reason and case based questions in IT. In subject like IT, I also know because I have read the IT and I also know that in IT books are very less. Few publication only they publish book on IT. But that book also have many faults. Some are of previous publication, some are not up to the mark. But this book is following the newest CBSE syllabus, CBSE pattern and is up to the mark. I must say that you must buy this book because it will definitely help you in your term 1 IT exam. And now I am showing you the sample paper part also. You are getting 2 sample question papers with OMR sheet. Let me show you that also. See, you are getting lab exercises. You are getting the live exercises means suppose in live exercises what we do mainly, we go to the lab, our teacher gives us some questions and we have to show that how this thing has been done. And in this practical part of this book you are getting the same thing only. You are given some questions with answers also, but you have to see the question only and you have to go to the computer and do that and check by yourself only. Answers are given, you can check it by yourself also. Let me show you the sample paper part. You are getting 2 sample question papers. See, you are getting 1 sample question paper. This is according to the newest pattern. It is divided into part A, part B and part C. See, this is the sample paper and with OMR sheet, and again you are getting 1 sample paper with OMR sheet. So means you are getting so many things in this book. And what price, you know, the price is only 180.80. So means this only in this cheap price, in affordable price, you are getting so many MCQ type questions, assessment reason and case based questions also, newest pattern based questions. Also we are getting chapter wise summary, that is fast track revision or short notes. Also you are getting 2 sample question papers with OMR sheet. Means in this price what you are getting, this is even unimaginable, means abundant. And with this QR code given here, you will be able to get the latest solved CBSE sample paper and the solutions of the 2 sample papers given at the back. Also you are getting live exercises also in this book. So now you will be able to understand that how this book is based in the market. This is brought to you by Blueprint Publication. Buying link of this book is given in the description box. Go and check it out. Price and quality of the book is awesome. Price is affordable and quality is high quality. So buying link in the description box and in the pinned comment also. If you are having any query, you can contact Blueprint Publication. Contact details are given in the description box. Other benefits of this book are also written in the description box. You are getting my Twitter handle, my Instagram handle, my official website link, my WhatsApp contact link and my co-account link in the description box. You can check that also. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, like the video, share this video and comment your query. Thank you. Have a nice day.